Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials so the sharing link works. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later, and you're signed into the Apple ID with iCloud Photos enabled. Once that's set, open Photos and tap to select the images you intend to share. You can pick many at once. Then tap the share icon. That first action begins the process. Don't skip selecting every image you want included, because the link will reference just those pics. Now you'll generate the actual link. With your photos selected, tap Share and choose Copy iCloud Link. iCloud will prepare a web link that lets others view and download the images. Be patient while it processes. Larger batches take longer. Once it gives the link, paste it into Messages, Mail, or any app to send. Make sure to note the link's temporary nature. If you need persistent access, convert the images into a shared album instead, so you can manage membership. Finish by sending and managing access. Paste the copied iCloud link into your chosen app and send. Recipients open it in a browser to view and download. If you want ongoing access or to remove people later, create a shared album and add collaborators instead. That gives you revoke and edit controls. If the link won't generate or open, verify you're signed into iCloud. iCloud Photos is enabled, and your network is stable. Toggling iCloud Photos off then, on can often resolve sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.